Salo Antipolo. My brother tried this place last year with his friend, and the more he talked about it, the more I wanted to go there and look at his pictures. These are pictures from their page. Yup, it looks so good. This is the facade from the outside from the road. You see there's parking there. Yes, and from the inside looking out. Yes, and here's their page. Yes, you gotta check it out so you have an idea of what you want to get or all the good stuff. Here's a video of one of their customers. Look, that's the inside. Oh, look at that. Crispy kare kare. Oh, sisig, my favorite. Yeah. Yep. And like you see here, let's go up again. Look at the pictures. I want to show you the food. Because the more I looked at the page, the more hungry I got. So I told my brother, oh yeah, pork spare ribs. Told my brother, we gotta go there. So of course he was actually super excited because he actually wanted to go back here since the day him and his friend came here over last year. So yep, now we're going here. Here, let me show you. Scroll down. Where's the food I want to show you guys? There. Now how could you go wrong with that, right? So okay, let's go. Here are the ways to drive along from SMC Timasinag Barcos Highway on the Sumulong intersection. We turn left, oh sorry, we turn right, heading up to Antipolo. And here you can see the Our Lady of Fatima, Antipolo. Keep going straight along Sumulong Highway until you get to the area going to Assumption. Here, Assumption Antipolo. And you still keep going straight all the way until you see Robinson's Place Antipolo here. And then the intersection, you make a left turn, and about 400 meters as per ways, you're gonna be there. It's just really close, right? Okay, now here's our drive along. See, on the left is Robinson's. This is about 8 p.m. or 8:15 p.m. Me and my brother decided to go there for dinner. So it's still early and there's not much traffic. It's pretty good. So we keep going here. We keep going straight. And right on the end of this road, there's an intersection there and we turn left, right? So here we are. The intersection is here. And as you can see, Robinson's is somewhere on the left here. So we're gonna make a left turn here. Yep. Careful with the trike and the kids there on the trike. Yep. Now I can go. Let's give way to the guys there. All right, here we can go now. Okay. And Waze says about 300 to 400 meters up front is gonna be Salo. Salo's Antipolo, the restaurant. That's really close by, right? Going straight, it's about 50 meters now, so there's about 250 to 300 meters more. Yep, we keep going straight. See, on your left is Robinson's Place Antipolo. So we're still here within Robinson's area. And I believe it's Sea Oil or Uni Oil gas station. Right after that is Salo or Salo's Antipolo. Keep going straight, you'll see it. The gas station is on your right. It's over there. You can see it. I can see it. Yep, and after that is Salo. Alright. There you go. That's it. See the light there, Salo, right over here. Yes, as you can see, there's parking right there in front. So on the daytime, here it is. There's Harley. That's their pictures. Look at the grill outside. Yeah. Here's a view from the inside. We decided to sit inside, and here's the live. Okay, on my channel, we do also do live when we're eating out. You can check it out on the playlist here. This is live. Okay, now we look around. Remember, it's almost 8:30 now on a Wednesday, so there's not much people because it's a work week. But the place is really nice, clean, and quite cozy, I must say. You know, if we had the diners here in the Philippines as a trend, this looks like a local diner. Okay, here's my order. Of course, I have the sizzling sisig. Yeah. And my brother, you can check out all the other stuff first. Here, you got even the crispy kare kare. My brother had the honey glazed pork ribs. This is his favorite. He keeps talking about it. So yep, let us see how it is when we get our orders. And of course, we always have the loaded fries on the side. That's a good appetizer. You can have crispy dynamite, cheesy nachos, pretty good. Here's the loaded fries. This actually tastes really, really good. There's a hint of nacho flavor in it, so it made it even perfect. So yep, this is a good appetizer in my book, and really, really sulit. It's like damn worth it. Sorry about that. Yep. And here now is my sisig. Oh, this was actually really good. It was so good that I got to tell my brother the history of sisig on how it's supposed to be all crispy like this and no mayo, because this tasted really, really good, like a real actual sisig or a proper sisig. It was so good. But now, here is his spare ribs. Would you look at that? There's no more space. It looks even better than the pictures. And it's massive. Like, the waitress said it's for 2 to 3 people. Me and my brother, we eat well. We could barely finish half of this. So if it's like 2 to 3 people that haven't eaten for days, yep, here's our orders now. Yeah, the fries is almost done. My sisig, my brother's pork ribs. Yep. And let me show you here. Let me put the spoon next to it. Let's show you the serving. It's like it's a lot. So the price is super super solid, or solid. Like it's beyond solid. Yep. Yeah, so good. Yep. And 40 minutes later, we're trying to finish it. Here I'm trying to show you guys, and told my brother to show you guys how soft and tender it is. Yep. Sorry, it is like 5 minutes later. This is not 40 minutes after. It is 5 minutes later. So now it's 40 minutes after. We couldn't finish it. I'll finish the sisig, but look, the pork ribs is still like more than half. And we actually tried to finish it, even the rice. So I guess this one we have to pabalot or take home because we just can't finish it. So check the link on the description of their page to see all the stuff that they offer here to entice you, so that you have an idea of what to get when you're going to get there or gonna get ready to visit Salo's Antipolo, as I did the same thing, so I knew what to order. You can also click here for more, right? Link will be in the description below. And of course, thanks for watching. Subscribe this week and check out all the other good stuff and the live sessions.